Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful green makeup look using Colourpop's Just My Look palette. To prime, I'm using Morphe's Full Coverage Concealer in white. Then I'm taking the color Mo Bamba from Colourpop's Just My Look palette, and I'm packing that color a little above my crease, and I'm blending the edges out. Now I'm taking the color Act Natural, and I'm packing that color right above Mo Bamba and blending the edges out. Lastly, I'm taking the color Chances Are to blend the edges out a little bit, making sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm using the same concealer as before to cut my crease. And I'm taking the color 50/50 and I'm applying that in the inner and outer corner of my lid. Next, I'm taking the color Big Banks and I'm repeating the same steps. Lastly, I'm taking the color Mary Jane and I'm applying that color right in the center of my lid, while also going back with my previous colors, making sure everything is blended seamlessly. Now I'm using the same colors from my crease on my bottom lash line, and I'll also be applying falsies and bottom lash mascara. Now I'm lining my lips with NYX's lip liner in brown. And I'm taking Bella Pierre's Pro Lip Palette and I'm using the color Diva on my lips. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join the family, leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye!